and we're back with another video. This will be a little different, and I think it's the only time I'll be recording on my MacBook. But I'm going to be showing you how to make my thumbnail for my third placement match. Go check it out, link in the description. It's called #RoadhogMain, as you can see here. And I just wanted to show how I made it. It's really simple, and I use Gimp, which is this. The way you download Gimp, here's Gimp. You just go on the website. I'll put the link in the description. I would recommend directly because I'm not sure what that is. But if you guys know, then good for you. Okay, so let me just start up Gimp. Usually it doesn't take long to start up. Let's see. Please, did I? Okay, so this is usually what you'll get to start. If you guys, if you're missing one of these two, which I know happened to me, just go on Windows, recently closed docs, and then select, so it should have something here and you select that. Otherwise, just go on File, Create, File New, File New. And then for thumbnails, it's 1280, by 720 pixels, and I'm usually make it landscape. I think it's supposed to be landscape though. Okay, and here is what we have. I'm gonna make it a bit bigger. So the first thing you want to do is find a background. For me, it's easy. I already have everything, but here's my background. It's a screenshot of when I won during the placement 3. So I'm just gonna drag this onto here. I'm gonna use the scaling tool that's over here. Press this. Nope, sorry. Please, okay. Press this, and I'm just gonna. I know how big I need it to be. Otherwise, just use these dragging things. Scale it. Grab the moving tool and move it into space. And there we go. Then I'm gonna open right click this, show windows, gonna take that, open that again, then make a new layer, 1280 by 720 again. You can name your layers if you need to, but for me, I don't really need to. Then I'm gonna grab whatever you need, whatever the next thing is. I'm using this Roadhog image. Now, again, it's a little big. Well, this time it's too big. So I'm just gonna resize it using these markers. No, I don't know what they're called. Well, I don't know what to call them, but just do it like that. Scale. And I think it might be the right size, or it might be a bit too big. Let's see. Put it here. I'm gonna make it a bit smaller. Now I want to do the exact. No, cancel. I want to do the exact. I want to have the exact same thing on the other side. So I'm just gonna make a new layer. So right click this, show all windows, layers, add a new layer, Command V, so it's there. Put it, select it, put it in wherever you want. Get the flip tool, not reverse, flip tool. Press it, and there you go. Now you just have to move it into the spot. I just want to try and make it as similar to the other side as possible. Things like that. A bit more. And there you go. Now I'm just going to add one last thing, the text. Right, no, that was fail. This is what I want. The reason why I'm not using black text with a white background is because the background here is really dark. So when you take off the white background, you can't see anything. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna put it in the right spot. Make it a bit bigger. Then I need to again recenter it ish. There. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the magic wand tool select the black part, so it's selected all of the black, as you can see around here. It's not selected the text. Don't mistake yourself. Like, don't make that mistake. Then I'm just gonna right click, edit, and clear. There you go. Now we have a good background. I'm just gonna use Gimp. Gonna open the layers again, and I'm gonna right click this and add a layer mask. No, the reason why I was about to do that is because if you look here, let me unselect everything. As you can see, I have a small line here. You guys probably won't have it because I just messed up somewhere. So I'm just gonna, if you have this problem, just right click this, add layer mask, add, make sure it's white, full opacity, and then you grab the paintbrush, make sure it's black and then background is white. Then I'm just gonna zoom in to make it a bit easier. Zoom in to 400, and just start erasing it. If you don't make the mask for this, then you're probably gonna start making, like, just deleting everything around this. So all of this here would be black, like, all around. And let me just, there we go. And there you go. Here you have your thumbnail. You guys, yours is probably not going to look exactly like this. Yours is going to be personalized, whatever you want to do it. And I'm not sure how to save it as an image, so I usually just do Command Shift 4 on Mac, and just select the picture. And here I have, for the third time, my thumbnail. Hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye!